Welcome back to Rajini Kiranmai YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to know about a credit card. When you look to the picture to the right side of the slide, a credit card resembles as a small, thin, rectangular piece of plastic card having a magnetic strip issued by a bank or a non-banking financial company which allows the cardholder to purchase goods or services based on the credit limit. Not everybody are going to get this card, but the consumer must open an account with the bank or a company to get the credit card. And the issuer, when he is going to give the credit card, he gives a credit limit with a specified amount, and the card holder can use the card to make purchases until he or she reaches this credit limit. The best examples for the credit card are Visa card, MasterCard. Coming to the advantages of the credit card, it is worldwide accepted and it is much more better to carry a credit card instead of carrying more money physically. And of course, the credit card is going to provide the money in emergency period, and we can say it as like an instant cash. And it is going to provide a better currency conversion and of course, flexibility to pay in overtime. As we talk about the advantages, for sure there are disadvantages of the credit card. Let us look to it. The disadvantages of the credit card is, of course, it charges fee and the interest rate that it is going to issue is very high when compared to the normal, and there is a chances of overspending which may lead to unorganized budget, and not everybody are going to get this credit card. Only it is given to a selected ones, and there is a risk of identity and theft. Hope I am clear about what is a credit card, what are its advantages and disadvantages. Let us move further to know about the step-by-step process involved in credit card transaction. The first step is the customer is going to choose the product to purchase on the merchant's e-commerce site. The merchant calculates the amount of purchase and asks the buyer for the payment. Then the customer is going to present the credit card information to the merchant's e-commerce site. After taking that information, the merchant is going to send the request to the acquiring bank for authorization. So now the credit card information of the customer is there with acquiring bank, and this bank sends the message via card brand company to the issuer bank asking for authorization. In the next step, that is in the sixth step, if the card holder has enough credit in his account to cover the purchase, the issuer bank authorizes the transaction and sends the message to the card brand company. The card brand company pays the transaction by credit and the merchant keeps the sales slip. In the next step, that is in the eighth step, the merchant is going to submit the sales slip to the acquirer bank and gets the service charges paid to him or her. Later, the acquirer bank requests the card brand company to clear the credit amount and gets the payment. Now, the credit card brand company asks to clear the amount from the issuer bank, that is customer bank, and amount gets transferred to the card brand company. This is how the credit card payment process takes place. Hope you are clear how the credit card is going to do the transactions from the buyer to the seller. Thank you for watching this video.